So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil manually, and then I'm going to explain how the oil life monitor works. And it's really important to understand this because a lot of people get confused by it, and it could easily lead to mistakes if you don't know what's actually showing you. Then I'm showing you how to reset the oil life monitor message in a Corsa, and then what's the best engine oil to use according to the manufacturer. So how to check your car oil manually? So there are two things we will be looking at when we're gonna check the oil now. First one is the level, which tells us how much oil is in the engine. So in this photo, you can see the level of the oil is up to that point, while in this photo, the oil is slightly less. The second thing, it's the condition, which tells us how old the oil is or how degraded it is. And we can tell that from the color. So on the right hand side, you can see the oil is very dark, which is an indication that it's a very old or used oil, while the photo on the left shows a newer oil. So just pull the dipstick out and give it a quick wipe with a tissue, and then just pop it back in and take it out again. So we're gonna check now the two things, the level and the color. Firstly, have a look at the color of the oil. This one has been changed recently, so you can see how light it is. And secondly, you can see the oil reaching up to the max mark. When you put the dipstick back, make sure you twist it and hear the click. Now, if your oil seemed a bit darker, don't worry, that doesn't mean that you have to change it right away, because how often you should change your oil depends on the oil that you've used and how much you've driven. Most cars, including the Corsa, have a built-in meter to help you keep track of this, which what I will show you next. Now, this is a really important thing to understand, and a lot of people mix this up. So the oil meter in your car is not like the fuel gauge. It doesn't actually measure how much oil in the engine. What it does, it estimates the condition of the oil. So when we're gonna reset the oil meter now to 100%, we're basically telling the car, I've just put in fresh oil, and from there the computer will keep track of your mileage, engine temperature and driving styles. I will slowly count it down from 100% to 0%. So the oil itself, it's not going anywhere unless there's a leak. It's still in the engine, it just gets dirty and breaks down over time. So this means even when the car tells you your oil at 0%, you may check the dipstick and still see that it's full, but it will be a very dark oil and it's not functioning anymore. So now after you've changed your oil, resetting the message is very simple. Just press the menu button and you'll see the oil life percentage showing up as a number. Then just hold down the reset button on the side of the stock for a few seconds, and that's it. It will reset to 100%. So we have here the Vauxhall Corsa manual, and if you want to read what it says about the engine oil, we can see here engine oil viscosity grades, ambient temperature when it's down to -25, which is most European countries, then the oil to be used is 5W30. I've made a separate video where I explain what these numbers actually mean or where they come from, and I'll leave a link in the description box, but I just wanted to show you in this video what does the manufacturer say about the car oil.